Applet that shows you the different types of loci in your syllabus. Okay, the simplest one that we have just drawn is a circle. Okay, so what does this represent? The one that you have done, z minus half equals radius 2. The distance, the center is half and the radius is 2. Okay, so this is a circle. So you have to label here 2.5. This is minus 3 over 2. Okay, this one is if it's an equal sign. Okay, other things that they can give you, like in this case, minus less than or equal. So what you have to do, shade the inside of the circle. Can you understand? Okay, I want the distance from this, all the numbers, distance from the point half is less than or equal to 2. So everything inside the circle. Okay, what if they give you greater than?
Everything outside.
Then you go and shade the outside. Okay, greater than will look like this. Greater than 2. Okay, leave the center of the circle empty. Go and shade all the parts outside. Okay, so this is quite a nice applet to show you different types of locus. Okay.
What is the size then? Cool.
After this, the next type of locus that you draw is perpendicular bisector. Okay, after example 2, I will look at perpendicular bisectors. Okay, what are perpendicular bisectors? It means that they will give you 2 points, 2 complex numbers, and then the equation says that the distance from these 2 points are the same. So where are these points? They must be located along the perpendicular bisector of the dotted line. Okay, so the locus is the red line. Okay, it doesn't matter where these 2 points are. It can be anywhere in the Argand diagram. Okay, always join the 2 points and then with a dotted line and then draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, can? Quite nice. Okay, so you can turn it around. Always draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so now you should be able to answer all the questions. Okay, what if the perpendicular bisector is not an equal sign? Okay, quiet please. What if one side is a less than sign? Okay, let's have 2 simple numbers. Okay, the number half and the number 2 plus I. Okay, what if the locus says that distance from the point half is less than or equal to distance from the other complex number? Okay, then what you do, draw the perpendicular bisector, then shade all the parts that are nearer to these points. Okay, because I want all the points which are nearer to half compared to 2 plus I. Okay, less than sign. So you shade this part of the Argand diagram. Okay, if it's a greater than sign, then you can shade the other side. Okay, let's the last one, greater than. Distance from the point half is greater than the distance from 2 plus I. So you can shade all the parts that are on the other side of the Argand diagram. Okay, can? Okay, later we'll look at examples, then it will make more sense to you. Okay, that's all. Let's go back to example 2.